Hi, I'm Alex Levy, and I'm introducing our BuckeyeRail system, created by Group F, which consists of Anthony D. Thomas, Alex Levy, Alex DeMoggle, and Taylor McKinstry. We've worked all year to successfully complete this project.
Hi, my name is Anthony DeThomas, and I will be describing the product and prototype along with the target audience. So our product, BuckeyeRail, is essentially an underground monorail system that runs back and forth between a starting point and an ending point. These starting and ending points will be located in hotspots on the campus area and in the local Columbus surrounding. The BuckeyeRail system just moves back and forth throughout the day with certain stop times for users to get on and off. This was simulated through our prototype by two halves of a shell snapping together around the AV parts. Through Arduino, we were able to code to make the vehicle move back and forth along the track with about 5-second intervals in between runs, which simulates users getting on and off the vehicle. So this system will just move back and forth between the start and the end throughout the day underground. So it should be able to cut down on cross traffic and allow quick transportation between central hotspots that really shorten the travel time for its end users. And these specific end users are pretty much people looking to commute. If we're able to capture around half of the students that live on campus looking to get back and forth, and around 5% of the broad Columbus area that must travel for work and any other reasons, we should have around 45,000 to 50,000 end users. If we can capture this audience, we can make a successful product that really cuts down on travel time for all of these individuals.
The primary source of revenue for our system will be from the users paying a $5 fee to get on the vehicle. Public transportation subsidies in the US are rather inconsistent, so we are assuming that our system will get no subsidies. Now, there are several costs associated with this system. We expect initial construction to be about $20 million and maintenance to be about $1,000 per day. Our expected population was 54,000 people. Assuming 20% of them ride this system every day, we expect 10,800 riders per day. With a $5 fee, we expect to earn $54,000 in revenue every day. Taking away the $1,000 in maintenance discussed earlier, we expect $53,000 in profit per day. With this profit, we expect to break even from our $20 million starting costs in about 378 days, or just over a year. This rail would change the way people will get around the most populated areas of Columbus. Different parts of the city will be closer than ever before. Our system will especially help those who have difficulty getting around due to disability. We will have wheelchair ramps down to the platforms and plenty of audio and visual cues for the blind and the deaf. We hope to be as accommodating as possible to as many people as possible.
Now that you understand our product that we're trying to create and the prototype description and the value, you can understand our competitive advantage. Since we are a part of our target audience that we are creating this product for, we can relate and understand what their needs are. And also, when you take a look at the competitive matrix that we have completed in previous parts of the project, you can see that when comparing ourselves to other forms of transportation such as electric scooters, walking, shared driving systems, CODA, and even driving by your personal car, that we have the advantage in cost, accessibility, simplicity, time, and we are even long-term or more lasting than the other forms.
Our next steps would be to reach out to different companies to explain our plan with BuckeyeRail. We need various companies to support in order to start the process of creating this new, more effective system than what we have now. We need at least 5 companies to be on board before we start the process of creating. After we get 5 companies that support this eco-friendly design, we will ask each one of them for a particular requirement needed for our design. We will ask Company A if they can give us 100 or more of their more trained workers to build the system so that we can get it done in a timely manner. In return, we will pay the workers double. We will ask Company B if they can loan us a certain amount of money, and once the design is built and we are making a profit, they'll receive their money back fully. We will come to an agreement with Company C on the materials that are required, and their logo will be printed on the design. Company D and E will continue to help fund, and that's a majority of the funding for the design will be. In return, they will earn a portion of it.
To conclude this presentation, we hope you learned a lot about the BuckeyeRail system product. We hope that you as a company hope to invest in this product and get it out into the marketplace. We also hope that you learned what we're planning to do with our money that we are giving from different companies and how we are planning to execute this potential product. We want to thank you for watching this video and for considering our product. Thank you.